TL2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe! May ilang mga pageant fans ang tumaas ang kilay matapos malamang nag-judge ang dating Miss International Queen Philippines na si Lars Pacheco. Narito ang kanyang pahayag. Bakit judge yan si Lars? For sure, bias na yan. As for everyone's information, if you're a fan of Miss International Queen, it's always a requirement that past queens or winners will be part of the judging panel for either closed door or prelims. And we, in Miss International Queen Philippines organization, is strictly doing the same format as MIQ. Many are raising their eyebrows seeing me and Sophia in the closed door interview, saying ay syempre may pinabura na yan. If you guys think that way, and if really biases work in Miss International Queen, think again. During my time, Trixie and Kevin are one of the judges. During Sophia, all three are present. Fuchsia, Kevin, and Trixie. Papabayaan ba kami yan? Philippines ang nire-represent namin. Sana laging panalo ang Pinas kasi laging may judge na Pinoy. Did we win? No. Why? Because biases really doesn't work in Miss International Queen.